Here we are, guys. It is the 29th, I think. I don't even know. The days are blending together. It's just, there's so much snow. Yeah. Oh, that's a horrible way. I'm gonna try and get a better picture of this snow for you. It's insane. Hold on. So I'll try and give you a few different angles of the snow and just to see how much it is. What? Our driveway's already done? Might be because we live with like a state trooper and he snow blows. He's just got a gnar. He's got a gnar truck. A really gnar truck. We'll go out there in a little bit. Look, my window, my door is just completely all gnarred up. What? There's already snow inside somehow. What? That's like feet. There's several feet of snow already. And it's coming down hard. It's not like super thick flakes. It isn't super thick flakes yet. I guess super thick flakes means it's about to turn into rain anyways, but it's just steady. It's been steady all night. Thankfully we haven't lost power yet. But it is just super steady, a super steady flow of snow. So like this isn't, it's not drifting. It's just